How to participate in Injective Airdrop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So we will be using Kepler for this, and you can check out our other videos in order to see how we can set up Kepler wallet and send Injective to it. So after setting up your Kepler wallet and getting the Injective in your Kepler wallet, just simply open it up, and this way you would be able to see this dashboard. Now click on this option of staked on the top, and here click on the option of stake with Kepler dashboard. Wait for it to load, and this is how it will appear. Now after you send Injective, this is how your Injective will appear. You can just simply click on this particular chain and wait for it to load. Now it will show various validators over here. You can select the validator of Black Panther, as they have announced that they will be giving out airdrop to people who stake with them. And you can also go with the other options, like let me scroll down and check out that particular option as well. Or you can stake with high stakes, as they are also providing airdrop if you stake with them, and the commission they will charge is around 5%. So let's see how we can stake with Black Panther. So for that, just simply click over here, then click on the option of stake, and make sure that you check out all the terms and conditions, as when you stake with them, you won't be able to get your Injective back for the next 21 days at least. So the unbonding period is around 21 days, and the expected APR is around 14.98%. So let's click on a stake, then click on this option of continue staking. Now select the amount that you want to stake. I will be selecting max over here, but make sure to set aside some of Injective in order to cover the fees. After that, just click on this option of stake, then click on this option of approve. Your transaction will be successful in a while, and you will be able to see your staked value over here. And that's how you participate in Injective Airdrop using Kepler. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.